Hi guys! Na-experience namin kumain sa Loong Hot Pot Restaurant with Zizzle Fusion Barbecue sa Wimart 2nd floor and honestly, super sulit. Ang ganda at malinis ang place. Plus may sarili silang comfort room kaya hindi mo na kailangan bumaba. Very convenient. Alam nyo ba guys, meron silang offer na 168 Saudi Riyals. Good na siya for 2 to 3 persons. Pwede pa nga 4 kung tipid kayo kumain. And may kasama siyang 2 drinks. Nag-add na lang kami ng extra 2 drinks para pare-parehas kami. At meron din silang pa-complementary like hot and cold tea at may pa-cake pa sa huli. Kung ayaw nyo naman ng promo, meron din silang single orders at iba't ibang packages. Perfect din siya for families and barkada, lalo na kung may birthday. Dito na kayo mag-celebrate kasi panalo yung experience at food. Ang service nila, from manager to waiters, napaka-asikaso at very approachable. Wala talaga akong masabi sa side dishes nila, ang sasarap lahat. Quality pa ang kimchi nila. Fresh, flavorful at sulit ang daming servings. Yung bibimbap, ang laki ng servings. Overall, super sulit talaga yung experience namin. If you are looking for something affordable, masarap, dito lang yan sa Loong Hot Pot Restaurant.
From this, to this,
Ayun, umuwi kami ng busog na busog. So goodbye for now. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless.